Hi, this is Brandy and I'm at Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm opening my last Sacred Iseum box. So this is the January Sacred Chest box. It comes in a big old mailer like so. Let's check her out. Smells good. Ooh, I love this. I always love their packaging. It's really pretty. Okay. Oops, sorry. I think this is for my tarot card, the King of Cups. It's about the tarot card. So my card this month was the King of Cups. Cute. Parchment paper. Like inserts related to what this is about. The Health and New Beginning chest. Ooh, those are intriguing things to me. Lovely, lovely. This is usually like this, and then you open this. We've got some, it almost looks like corn husks. Ooh, and some stuffed things. Ooh. This smells odd. I'm not sure. This is definitely a candle with like the little stuff you make corn dollies out of to close it. Let's put this back a little bit. This is a scroll with a feather. Lovely. We shall look at that soon. Some of this out of there so we can see. Oops, I accidentally tossed an item out. Okay, so we have a little canvas bag here full of something. It's got, I think, a tiger's eye and some kind of herbs. So I'm guessing this is some kind of sachet I need to use. Got some coal disc, so there must be some kind of loose incense. Oh my goodness! Awesome! I've never had one of these. Frankly, dolls terrify me. But it's cute, it's cool. This is some kind of incense or sand. We shall read the menu to find out. Ooh, this is another beautiful, this is probably loose incense. This one's a little bit harder to navigate as the texture's more than I'm used to. So let's see what this says. Let's move all of these items up here so you can see them. Let's review the insert so we can know what they are. Okay. Celebration of Involved, Goddess Bridget for January. Let me see. The Magic Within. Tarot card. Check. King of Cups. Corn puppet. This is a physical representation of the goddess Bridget, charged during the January new moon on the 5th, and each morning through the first quarter of January to the 14th, creating a powerfully charged puppet. Adorned with the stone of Bridget, an amethyst, and scented with florals and berries, we felt compelled to include her in this month's box in celebration of Imbolc. You can use the puppet as intended or follow the spell on the puppet VOS sheet to bond it with whatever representative of your choosing and personalize it towards your magical workings. Cool. Imbolc. Sorry, can you guys see this? Sorry. Imbolc candle. Handcrafted candle charged with using the power of growing energy from January's new moon on the 5th. It is a 3 roots candle created with 3 roots as its primary energy. It's charged with the intent of aiding and releasing the past, embracing the future, manifestation, hopes, and wishes. Intended to be used on invoke, can be used anytime you are seeking energies in your spell work. Made of soy wax, vanilla, sandalwood, sweet blood orange, myrrh, patchouli, hibiscus, elecampane root, gravel root, angelica root, rue leaves, and fennel seeds. So that's got to be this. Floral herbal blend. A blend of magical herbs and florals to aid in reconnecting with the earth energies and the energies of Bridget in the coming spring. Sassafras, licorice, angelica root, hawthorn, sage, shepherd's purse, agrimony, cedar, rosemary, motherwort, linden flower, chamomile, skullcap, marshmallow root, hibiscus, agrimony is on here twice, and rose. Can be used in a filter bag in the bath, as a smoke blend on charcoal, to dress your candles, including love, health, protection, rebirth, earth, and fae magic. Can also be used in the connection of the goddess Bridget. Tiger's eye. Oh. So basically it's tiger's eye is in here. I saw that it was tiger's eye, but there's also little herbs in here, so that's kind of a sweet little touch. It's like sage. Nice. Okay. And then bath salt is this, I'm guessing. Handcrafted bath salts add the perfect beginning to any spell or ritual. Can be used prior to meditation. Crafted to call upon the elemental energies and used connecting with the fae. What is it? Apple, lavender, blood orange, chamomile, and rose oils, along with rosemary, herb, clove powder, rose petals, Epsom salt, and sea salt. Cool. Duck feather. So, this is kind of cool. And funny, I actually have tons of duck and geese and chicken feathers because I have ducks and chickens and geese, and in the spring they just let these loose feathers all over the place and I just pick them off in my property. But still, I like feathers a lot. Blank parchment paper. And then there's just an invoke spell to do with the puppet. Let me just show you this one more time. I can also show you what's on the scroll. It's probably about the puppet. Oops. Okay, scroll, thank you. And that's it. So I want to talk to you a little bit about this box. This is Sacred Iseum's box. They have 3 tiers. This one's the Sacred Chest. It's right in the middle for 50 bucks. There's a lower one called Sacred Apprentice for 25, and there's a higher one called Sacred Sabbath for 75. They're a monthly box, and they're very nice box. I'm not canceling because I think that they're bad. I just had to narrow down my boxes, and I really like their magical stuff. They are very cohesively themed box. Everything is really built around one theme, and I really like that. So this is their January box centered around Imbolc. Lots of possibilities there, however you celebrate it, and there's always possibilities for more of these boxes in the future, depending on how things go. So if you like this, or if you get this box, please let me know. Tell me what you think about it. Put it in the comments. Otherwise, please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will leave all the information on how to get this box in the description below. And please have a wonderful day. Have many blessings. Laugh a lot, love a lot. It's going to be a good 2019. I'll see you soon.